Today, we're diving into the NVTEK 64GB DDR4 2666MHz SODIMM kit, a powerhouse upgrade for your laptop or AIO PC. With this kit, you're not just boosting your memory, you're unlocking a new level of performance for your system. Let's talk specs. This kit packs a punch with a total capacity of 64GB, split into two 32GB modules. That's ample space for multitasking, gaming, content creation, and everything in between. And at 2666 MHz, the memory speed ensures seamless responsiveness, even during the most demanding tasks. One of the standout features of this NVTEK kit is its compatibility. Designed and tested for DDR4 laptop and AIO motherboards, you can trust that it'll seamlessly integrate with your system. Plus, with NVTEK's lifetime replacement warranty and compatibility guarantee, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. Installation is a breeze. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned enthusiast, swapping out your old memory for this kit is straightforward. Just pop open your laptop or AIO PC, locate the memory slots, insert the modules, and you're good to go. It's a hassle-free process that yields immediate results. But let's talk about the real game changer here: performance. Whether you're a gamer looking to maximize frame rates, a content creator tackling demanding projects, or a professional handling resource-intensive tasks, this NVTEK memory upgrade delivers. Say goodbye to lag, stuttering, and slowdowns. With 64GB of DDR4 2666MHz memory at your disposal, the sky's the limit. In conclusion, the NVTEK 64GB DDR4 2666MHz SODIMM kit is more than just a memory upgrade. It's a game changer for your laptop or AIO PC. With its generous capacity, blazing fast speed, and rock-solid compatibility, it's the ultimate choice for those seeking top-tier performance. So why wait? Elevate your computing experience today with NVTEK. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.